Let us take this object. See, in question I have taken elevation and top view. Means elevation means we can say it is a front view, and again top view we can say it is a plan. So for front view it is used the word, for civil language it is elevation, for top view it is used plan. See, in this object origin is given here. So left side of this origin there is the elevation, so you can say left side will be from front view will be from left side. Okay, now semicircle is here. Then new thing is that there is a hexagon and rib. Okay, see, total length it is here, it is in top view 75, and here radius is given 35, so it will be 75 plus 35, so it is 110. It is the length, and width is this much. So radius 35 means 70 will be the width. Height is directly given, it is 80. So we'll start. See, height is draw reference line perpendicular to reference line height. So I have taken it is 80. Then take 30-degree angle this side also, this side also, and draw the line. So left side of this origin there is a length, and so this side it is a length. So I have taken it is 110 mm, that is the length. So your front view will be in this direction. Opposite to this front view there is a side view, and the radius is given 35, so diameter will be 70. Okay, then we'll start. So with the help of roll and draw we project all the points. Okay, then this side also. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, then parallel to this line, 1 minute guys. Rather than 80 height, rather than 80 millimeter height, I will take it as suppose 60. Okay, because here height is means our object will be out of this page, so I will take it as a 60. Okay, so this will be the 60. Okay, then I will project this as a 60. Here it is parallel to this line, and parallel to the width project point. Okay, again same parallel to this width, we have to project this line towards this one. Again parallel to this length, we have to project the point. Okay. Box is ready. We have to draw the firstly we think on this semicircle. So it is in front view. Whenever we are observing from the top view there is a semicircle, but in front view it is about 20 mm. So firstly we will take about 20 mm. Here 20. Here we will again 20. Draw this line. Join these 2 points. So it is 70 mm. So at 35 there will be the axis. So parallel to again this length, take 70 mm, because we have to draw the circle of 70 mm diameter. So our rhombus should be again 70 mm. See, this line is parallel to this one. Now just with the help of roll and draw you can we can project the line from this point. Again with the help of this roll and draw we should project the point. Okay, so this will be the rhombus. Suppose this we can represent by A, B, C, D. Then we require the center points. So I have taken already, here it is 35 mm center point. So This will be the point. And again we have to bisect A and D. So this will be again 70. So there will be 35. There is a half distance, that is 35 mm, because we have to draw the center line. Okay. Now suppose numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. See, there is A and C as a shorter diagonal. So in front of the shorter diagonal, suppose the C, in front of the C point there is a 4 and 1 as a frontal points, and in front of A 3 and 2 as a frontal points. So we'll join these points with a line. Okay. So with help of again compass, we should draw arc. So take C1 as a radius, R4 as a radius, draw the arc. Then this side it is not necessary to draw, because here it is only semicircle we have to draw. So this side is required. So suppose this x, A2 and C1, whenever it is bisect, we are giving name as a x. Take C x1 as a radius. Here x1 as a radius, and we are projecting that point. Now this semicircle is up again, it is below 20 mm. So project 4 number points below 20. This will be the 4 dash, A will be A dash, 1 will be 1 dash, and for this arc, this C point should be projected up to 20 mm. So that is C dash, X will be X dash, so that will be here. So I am projecting this much point because only that point is required to project this semicircle. So I am taking C1 as a radius, means we can say C1 dash 1 dash will be the radius. Draw the arc. Okay, then x1 as a radius with the help of x dash, x1, x dash 1 dash will be the radius, and draw the arc, but it should not be complete because we have to draw the tangent. So we have to draw the tangent. Okay, now see, same in this portion only there is a hexagon. So we'll firstly draw the axis line. So we should better understand how to draw hexagon. Okay, similar way, there is a 20 side hexagon is given. So how to draw hexagon? So take 20 mm as a radius, draw circle, 20 mm as a radius, draw circle. Then bisect this or do the 4 parts of the circle. From this one point, draw arc. Same distance we have to take as a radius, 20 mm, and with the help of this point, we will mark arc on this circle. Join this all the points. So normal circle we have to firstly draw at side. Normal hexagon we have to draw at side. Suppose this center line represent, suppose this center line. Okay, so firstly we have to measure this distance. So it is again 31, 2, 3, 33. So 16 mm this side. The distance is suppose 16 mm, this side 16, 16.5, 16.5. So we have to take 16.5, 15, 16. Okay. So 16.5 this side, and total is, so we have taken 16.5, 16.5 both the sides. So we'll draw the line parallel to this axis line. This side also we'll draw. Then we, we will take this distance, whatever the distance, with help of compass take this distance. So both the side we have to draw. So this side also, this side also. Again similar to that, draw this distance both the sides, then measure axis to this. So obviously it is 20 mm from this point. It is 20 mm this side, 20 mm this side. Join all the points by dark line. Okay, it is here. This will be this point, and this is here. Then this is the point, and this point is here. Okay, so we'll draw the hexagon at this point, but this hexagon depth is 10 mm is given. So every point we have to project 10 mm below, but don't do this side point because we cannot observe this side corner. So we are observing only frontal side and we are observing this side, so only this point will be 10 mm below, 10 mm. Again this point, it is 10 mm below, or project 10 mm up to 10 mm. So other points we cannot project because we can't observe on this side. Then parallel to this line, draw the line, and parallel to this line, again draw the line, and parallel to this line, this one, draw the line. So hexagon is completed. We'll move back side. So only there is a height is given, totally it is 7 from this axis to this side, total it is 75 minus 50, so it will be 20. Okay, so back side it will move 20 mm, so we can say it is 75. Okay, so from this side it is 25, so that will be here, and we will project from one direction. Dark line, then this line is again dark one. Okay, bottom surface in front view there is again dark line. This is again this dark one, and again parallel to this, this should be parallel to this width, dark. This side also it is dark. Then this corner will be dark because in front view there is a dark line, so it will parallel to this again dark. Okay, then parallel to this line should draw the dark line, and again parallel to this width, it should be dark. Okay, now this should be dark, but here it is rib is given, so that's why I'm taking as a front line. So rib is given 25 mm whenever we are observing from the top side. So this rib will be given, suppose this rib is 12 mm, rib is 12 mm. First we have to find out the center point, so it is again 35 mm. Then this distance is given 25 mm from this, it is 25, so it will be here 25. Then parallel to this axis or width we have to draw the line. Okay, so take that rib is given 12 mm, so 6 mm left side, 6 mm right side, so 6 mm left side, 6 mm right side, so it is obviously 12 mm. Again similar to that, from this center point we have to take 6 mm left side, 6 mm right side. Join these 2 points by dark line, again dark line, then parallel to this draw the line, again parallel to the length, parallel to the height, draw the line, and this will be again dark, this is again dark. Then parallel to width, from this corner draw the line, this side also there is a line. Okay, so this will be the complete object. Now we'll give the dimensions. So okay, okay, so this distance is given 25. This is again it is okay, we'll give this firstly. So this is the radius 35, this is 25, so remaining distance will be 50. So total it is 110. Width it is not necessary to give because it is covered semicircle and with the help of this radius, so you can see it is 70 mm. So anybody can represent, or just with the help of this we can understand that this is the 70. Okay, now height. So this height is 60. Okay, and hexagonal is given 520. Sorry, it is 20 mm. So anybody can represent like this. So it is 20, and this rib length is given again 25. Okay, and the rib size is, we can directly represent here, it is 12. Okay, hope so you should understand, see the correct answer. So this will be the correct answer. Hope so everyone got all the points. Thank you for the watch.